Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Made Free. In today's video, I'll take you through one of the very important questions asked in every business analyst or product management interview about developing a new product. In today's video, I'll take you through one example of such an interview question, that is designing a restaurant management system. So whenever you are asked a product development question, the first thing would be to ask clarifying questions. A candidate should ask clarifying questions to understand the product landscape and how the existing process is. If I were asked in an interview about designing a restaurant management system, the first question I would ask is, why are we doing this? Are there any pain points with the existing process, or are any issues with the existing journey? Do we cater walk-ins and online orders both? Is the seating arrangement numbered or coded? Do we store customer data for marketing and promotions, or maybe taking orders or making reservations? Do the employees we have IDs assigned? Are there any IDs or codes assigned to menu items? Are there any IDs and codes assigned to the ingredients that go in the menu? When do we want to go live? What is our go-to-market plan? Are there any budget constraints? So these are just some of the indicative questions. You may ask many more questions because this will help you better organize your solution and also to define what goes first and what goes later when you develop a product. The prioritization is also very important in such interviews. After we are done with step one, we'll go to the step two of this interview question. When you are done with step one, asking questions and got the clarifying answers from the interviewer, the next step would be to make assumptions and validate. Some of the questions would have been answered in step one, but at times it happens that you need to make certain assumptions to solve the problem. In this case, the first assumption I would make is that menu is already available with list of ingredients because the restaurant is already functioning. Employees already have defined roles, example, server, cleaner, bartender, or chef. I'll also like to validate the existing journey, which I would have understood in asking questions around existing journey or existing pain points. I would also like to validate the goal. If you remember in step one, the first question was, why are we doing this? So it is always good to validate the goal so that you are aligned on the understanding you have made with the product. When you are done with making assumptions and validating them, the next step would be to define features. And I advise candidates to ask the interviewer to give you some time and take a brief pause for 1 or 2 minutes to gather your thoughts before each step. It helps you better organize your answer and making your response crisp and clear. If I were to define features for a restaurant management system, the first feature I would call out as customer management, reservations, or promotions. The next feature could be table management, reservations, and service. Third feature, employee management, attendance, role, and table assignment. The third would be menu management, menu items, ingredients, and the availability of the items in the menu. Order management, placement, fulfillment, and also billing to the customers. Now, when we have defined features, it would be good to prioritize these features. So as a next step, we would go on prioritizing these features on what goes in the MVP and later what can go as enhancements. It is not advised to deliver every feature at once. We should always have an MVP plan where we say that with these certain features we can go live and we can keep on enhancing features as we move forward in our journey. If I were to prioritize these features, the first feature that I would pick is on the customer management and reservations. This will go in my MVP. The other two features which I feel are important from MVP plan are menu management, menu items, ingredients, and availability. When we say availability, the inventory of menu items. So if a customer walks in a restaurant or tries to place an order online, he would know whether certain item or certain dish in the menu is available to be ordered or not. The next feature would be order management, placement, fulfillment, and billing of that order. The other two features, table management reservations and employee management attendance role table assignment, I can think can go as an enhancement, as I feel these two features can be manually driven till the time we are done with the other MVP features, and it will not disturb the business as usual of the restaurant. Once you are done with prioritizing features, the next step would be to create a product backlog. Again, take a pause and ask the interviewer that you are gathering your thoughts. For this video, I've just taken two features to explain how to create a product backlog or how to create your master story list. Considering first feature on the customer management reservations and promotions, I could think of certain user stories to create my product backlog. The first is capturing customer details like first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. Maintaining customer purchase or order history so that you know what is the preference of the customer and you can generate insights and tell the customer that this is something you had ordered in the past. It creates a better customer experience. Sending promotional content through emails, SMS, or WhatsApp. Capturing customer consent to receive or not receive promotional content. We can just not keep on spamming the customer. We need to have the customer consent if we were to send some promotional emails or any other content. Again, these features may go on prioritization. What goes in your MVP plan? Like maintaining customer purchase or order history may not be part of your MVP. Can again go as an enhancement. The second feature I have picked up to create a product backlog is table management, reservations, and service. I could think of assigning table numbers or reservations for customers, assigning servers to the tables, maintaining table inventory, how many tables are available, tagging orders to table numbers, and very important, assigning number of chairs or seating space for each table type, so that whenever any customer walks in, you can tell if you are 6 members, we have a 6-seater table available for you. So for this video, I just taken two features to create the product backlog. If the time permits in the interview, you can pick up other features and also define that particular backlog. After we are done with creating a product backlog, if you are a data analyst or a business analyst working in a data stream, I would advise you to also talk about the entity relationship diagram. In entity relationship diagram, I have just taken two examples. The first example I have taken is for the reservation. In this case, you have a customer account, where customer account is a primary key for that table. So you assign a unique ID to every customer. The other attributes can be first name, last name, email, telephone, and date of birth. Then the other one you have is table, where table number is a primary key, a unique key assigned to every table in the restaurant. The other attributes can be number of seats, the status on availability of that table. Using these two, you can create a reservation. So the reservation record will have the reservation ID as the primary key. That will be unique for this table. The other attributes that you will be cross-referencing with the other two tables can be table number, seats number, and customer number. If you see this ERD, the customer account has one-to-many relationship with the reservation record. So a customer can make multiple reservations. But one reservation can have only one table number. So that is one-to-one relationship. The second EID that I could think of is on the order management. Here we have employees, where employee ID is a primary key. The other attributes can be employee type, first name, last name, email, telephone, or date of birth. On the menu ID, a unique ID assigned to every item in the menu. The other attributes can be name, description, ingredients, price, and availability, whether that item is available to be served or not. Using this, we create order. Every order should have a unique order ID, which becomes the primary key here. The other attributes that this order is cross-referencing from other tables can be the menu ID, table number, order time, and employee ID. If you see again, an employee can serve multiple orders. So an employee has one-to-many relationship with the order. An order can have multiple items from the menu. So the order to menu is one-to-many relationship. Hope you liked today's video on the product management and business analyst interview question. If you did like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. And do post a comment if you would like me to make a video on any of the business analyst on product manager skills. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.